Hi grade 2, welcome to lesson 10 in module 6 for second grade math. So today we're going to be making rectangles with square tiles and then writing a repeated addition sentence to match it. We're still doing arrays, except this time we're going to be careful to build them to not have any overlaps and any gaps. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First, we're going to need square tiles. I know we have tons of them at school, so now that we're home, we're just going to have to substitute them with something else. So let me show you what I found in my house. So one of the things that I found that's kind of a square shape are these tea bags. So I can use these. You can also use these if you have these at home. But make sure you ask your grown-ups first before you do. Now, for my tea bags, I only have 6, so I had to keep searching for something else because I need like maybe 20 or so. All right. So what I found was these memory cards. They're Cataleya's. But I can use them because they're square, and I'm sure she won't mind that I borrowed them. So let me go ahead and build a rectangle. Now notice these are right next to each other. That means that there's no gaps. And then also notice that I put the tile next to it here, not here. This is called an overlap. That means that it's over the other tile. We need to be careful not to have any overlaps either. So I am building this array. So see, it's still an array, but since I have the shapes next to each other with no gaps and no overlays, it is in the shape of a rectangle. So let's take a look at the rectangle that I made. I have a row here that has 3, and I have a row here that has 3. I can also look at the columns. I have a column here that has 2, a column here that has 2, and a column here that has 2. So I can write a repeated addition sentence that goes with this. I could either go by rows, so 3 plus 3 equals 6, or I could go by columns. 2 plus 2 plus another 2 also equals 6. Now remember, if there are a lot of rows or columns, you can also check them off as you write the number in that row or column so that you don't lose count. All right? Okay, so let's do another one. I'm going to add a row up here, and I think I will add another column also. Let's make this array even bigger. Okay, so what shape have I made here? I've made a rectangle, right? What repeated addition sentence could I write if I was going by columns? Let's see. This column has 3. I'm going to check it off. There's a lot of tiles here, so I don't want to lose count. Plus this column, which has 3, check it off. Plus this column, which has 3. Plus this last column, which also has 3. And so now I can write my equal sign with the number that I have left. Oops, I forgot to check these off. See how easy it is to kind of lose track? All right, so what we can do now, this is definitely correct, but I think I want to make some changes to my array. I'm going to take this whole column off. How did it change my shape? What do I have now? That's right, I have a square. So I can redo my repeated addition sentence as well. So let's see. This time I think I'll go by rows, although this one has the same in each column as it does in each row. So my repeated addition sentence would actually look the same. So this row has 3 plus this row has 3. I'm going to check it off. plus this row has 3. Uh-oh, I accidentally wrote on Leia's card. Oh, good, it wiped right off. And now I'm finished. I've checked them all off. And so now I have 9. So taking off that column not only changed the shape of my array, but it also changed my repeated addition sentence. All right, so once again, you're going to need to find something at home that's kind of square shaped or rectangle shaped. It could be tea bags, it could be cards from a game, and you're going to use them to build these. And on your worksheets, you're going to write the repeated addition sentence that matches whatever you built. And then don't forget to go on Zearn and do lesson 10 for some extra practice. Have fun, second grade.